there was something calling me, telling me I needed to make more of a difference. And when I was doing individual counseling, I was getting to the root of people's struggles one person at a time. And I began to feel that helping just one person at a time wasn't enough. So I really wanted to support just like a much greater number of people and create lasting change. So I needed to reach people before the crisis. And prevention is basically what I felt we needed to do. And at the same time, I was raising my daughter, and there was a phrase that I always used to tell her when I would drop her off at school. I would always say, "Hey, Sophie, remember that thoughts become things, keep them beautiful. Thoughts become things, keep them beautiful." And with that simple phrase, I was teaching her that thoughts make you feel something. There is a connection, a mind body connection. So thoughts lead to feelings, and those feelings, depending on the content of the feelings, lead to actions, and those actions have results. And that simple lesson was working with her, and it was also working with the children we saw at our clinic. That's when I realized that kind of knowledge shouldn't be just reserved for the children or the people coming to our clinic. Everybody should have access to it. And that's how Trying Steps was born. It's a structured, evidence based program designed to help children and adults build emotional literacy, resilience, and basically mental wellness skills. So they don't have to end up later in my community mental health center or any other center later in life. So this is basically how Triumph came about. And I want to make a greater difference. I'm passionate about decreasing the progression of our current mental health crisis. And I feel that this is one way of doing it.
Wow. And this is timely because we're talking about how, even with the introduction of AI, mental health is going to be even more important with social media and everything. You talk a lot about emotional literacy, and I love how you break it down in such an accessible way. For those who are new to this, what is emotional literacy really, and why is it so critical to teach it early?
So emotional literacy is like learning the ABCs, but instead of reading or writing, you're learning and to recognize, to understand, and to manage or gain dominion over your emotions. It is the foundation for mental well being, healthy relationships, personal growth, vocation.